So who's gonna be who? Are you gonna be in the front office or are you gonna be treating them?
You be in the front office because you're secretary. Secretary. Homer dropped his donut.
Go to a room 1.
They always need herbs first. Hey, but he's an anomaly.
How?
Do you see him? He's shape-shifting. He's shape-shifting. I'm just kidding. Yes, I am a psychologist. Damn. They walk hella slow. The next guy that comes in here is an anomaly, trust. I'm just kidding. Homer dropped his donut. So. Cause Shutter's operational? Whoa, who fixed it? The doctor's not here, totally. You press skip doctor dialogue. Oh yeah, I was the best. Ava, come on, go to the thing. Oh,
I'm on the door.
Ava, what are you doing? Why are you T-posing?
I am?
Yeah, whenever you dance, you're T-pose. Wait, stay there. Let me see if I can see you. I can't see you, Ava.
Wait, can you take a picture?
What?
Like of me?
Sure. Let me just get this patient.
Room 3.
Out of room 3. Let me check the cameras first. He's good. Oh, no, he's bad.
Really?
He's looking at the cameras. Also, he's hunched over. New little Discord mod.
Go to the room.
Okay. He could wait. Ava, give him the coffee when it's ready. I'm so good at the game that I don't even need to look at the actual pictures. I could just look at the... Oh, you can expect it. I just have to look at the thing. Look at me.
That runs me.
Drink some, drink 2 first. And then give it to him. Coffee. I'll do room 4 because this guy's been waiting. Room 4 is recovering. We just need to do Ron. Ava, you look like Ron.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna buy that.
I have enough. They check the cameras.
I did.
Room 6.
Ava, come back. You do it. I'll go do room 6.
Oh, Matthew's here.
Hey. Homer dropped his donut. Dough.
People, you have your notebook right here. This one. No. Oh. Remember, you were doing this. I forgot. When I do, mommy. Yeah, now I need to do another one.
Matthew, hurry up. I don't have perfect audio. Well, what's it? Matthew's recovering. What was that? What was that?
It's my room. Like there's like something.
Oh. Still here. Last time I got eaten by the bed monster.
Dr. Harlow's here?
And that's why I always carry maple syrup with me. No, your twin is here. I got room 3, but where are you? Ava? I got room 3. Go do the check-in.
Also, what sanity are you?
97.
97.
I leveled up the psychologist, I think.
Hmm.
So whenever I drink coffee, it gives me plus 30. Plus 30
Crazy.
sanity. Pretty good, huh? I don't have perfect audio because my siblings are running around.
Hmm.
Mostly Dean, but
Why?
I don't know.
We're like running around room.
Wait, we had no videos. I don't see videos. I should really just go to my room, but I need to charge my tablet.
So
So
where are you at right now?
the living room. Move it. I got this. Ava? Ava? Have you ever wanted to like? Have you ever wanted to eat the nibs of a cotton cotton? What are they called?
What are they called?
They're like cotton at the top on the tips. I forgot what they're cotton picks. What?
Q-tips.
I don't know what to call them.
They're called Q-tips.
Oh yeah, Q-tips. We'll actually open it. And I'll just take this guy. Get out of here, boy. You and your dump truck there. That means I don't trust you, Matthew. Ava, hurry up and do your job. I'm waiting for someone to... Ava, go to the fires. It's in room 7. Ava, what's going on? What's going on?
What?
All I hear is like... That's all I hear, Ava.
Dawson, like literally, where's the taser? The taser doesn't work.
Oh, the guy I let in is... No, get in there right now. Ava, you just messed up that guy's. I was supposed to kill that guy. I was gonna kill that guy. But then he became a freaking a skinwalker. But I was gonna kill him because I knew that was. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't know. Thank you though for noticing, I guess. I got room 4. Ava, come pick up this slime. Well, his eyes are closed. That's still stigma. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. I did all of them except 5.
I'll be in room 6.
Alright. They're all good. They're just recovering. Oh yeah, Ava. There's a rush today.
Listen, get ready.
Ava, I got 1 through 5. I got 1 through 5. You can do 6 through 8, okay?
Okay.
You do 6 through 8. I'll do 1 through 5.
Listen, he's repelling the taser.
I know. For some reason, I can't tase you or him. Dang, my sanity is not going down. Open all doors. I got 1. I think it's just 1. Ava, do the...
Listen, do
Bleeding fever flu. Bleeding fever flu. Ava!
what?
Can you come extinguish this stalker?
Wait. I have to do the heart thing. Okay, let me do room 5. Oh. Sorry.
There's another one in here, Ava. To the right there. Meditation proof. Okay, Ava, can you do all the other ones?
Yeah.
Too close. Ava, did you do 8?
No, not yet.
Okay. What did you do with the fainted patient?
Huh?
What did you do with the fainted patient?
I put it back in the bed.
Oh, okay. Okay, they all should be recovering. We just have to do these people. I didn't realize we haven't seen Barney yet.
Yeah, true. Are you going to do surgery?
Yeah.
It's room 3 and 4 and 2. Okay.
They're all good. Everyone's good over at that side.
Then patient 7 is
After this one, I think it's gonna be all the 3s. Yeah. Dang, how much medicine does he need? He's uncautious. How is he even supposed to eat these? Or if he even eat medicine or something.
How much sanity are you at?
81.
Okay, can I take the coffee?
Yeah, sure. Oh. Can I take a break?
Oh, you like right now?
No, but like, ooh, bonus. I love you, Dr. Harlow.
14.
Yeah, it was kind of a long day. Oh, we need this and this. There's another coffee in here if you want it.
I don't want it.
I'm buying it then. I already have one more coffee. Let me just drink this last one. Okay.
Or who needs to get Oreo? Oreo Black.
Bananas. Both good.
His name is Oreo Black.
How does this girl? Guy. Them. Whatever they are. Who did you come to visit? That guy? No one's in right now. Put him in the trash
Oreo
can.
Black has fainted.
Put him in the trash can.
No, you can place him in the bed.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Hello?
That guy was disfigured. Yeah, get on with it.
Stop
We hear
that.
this every single day, Biggie. Or not big, but like, if Ron was a Biggie, then Ava's avatar would be a Biggie too.
Do I have the hair like him?
No, you're just bald. You're just him, but bald.
I'm his long lost brother.
I mean, I feel like you guys would just be regular brothers, but you're like bald. I mean, would you actually be siblings? Or you're his long lost sister, I guess? Oh wait, no, this guy's an anomaly.
Wait, which one? Oh, that guy.
The white guy.
How?
His mouth was wide open. These are good.
There's a slime. Put him back in the bed. Austin, put him back in the bed.
I want to.
Oh, wait, what?
Hey, put him back in the bed. Now what? Do I just do him?
Like, you know how a customer said that they're gonna be in room 8 and then they're gonna like just be in there, but there was a
Yeah.
fire in room 8.
Yeah.
Still haven't fainted yet though.
I really want to tase Ron. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, that's so true.
Oh. Yeah, this is the end of my video. Bye.